दिल्ली राउज आईएएस कोचिंग सेंटर की बेसमेंट में पानी के भरने से 3 छात्रों की मौत मामले में कोचिंग सेंटर की तरफ से मुआवजे की पेशकश की गई है। राउज आईएएस कोचिंग सेंटर की बेसमेंट में जान गंवाने वाले 3 छात्रों के परिवार को एकेडमी की तरफ से 50-50 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा दिया जाएगा। गुरुवार को इस बात का ऐलान किया गया। कोचिंग सेंटर के वकील मोहित सराफ ने कहा कि कोचिंग सेंटर के बेसमेंट में जान गंवाने वाले हर छात्र के परिवार को 50 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा देने की पेशकश की गई है। संस्थान ने कहा, मृतकों के परिवार को 2 किस्तों में 50-50 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा देने का प्रस्ताव रखा है। 25 लाख तुरंत और 25 लाख रुपए तब दिए जाएंगे जब संस्थान के सीईओ अभिषेक बाहर आएंगे। सराफ ने कहा कि हम बाकी 25 लाख रुपए का भुगतान करने के लिए पैसों का बंदोबस्त कर पाएंगे। वकील ने कहा कि मैंने यह भी वादा किया है कि अगले हिस्से का भुगतान 6 महीने के भीतर कर दिया जाएगा। अलग अलग लोगों की अलग अलग अपेक्षाएं होती हैं। मैं एक संदेशवाहक हूँ।
I think from the family side, what we are offering is a 50 lakh compensation to each one of the student who has lost his life, 25 lakh rupees right away, and 25 lakh once Abhishek, who is the CEO of the organization, he comes out, and we are able to meet the requirement, the financial requirement to pay the rest 25 lakh. And I also have committed on behalf of the family that the next part will be paid within 6 months. So it's not conditional. It's not that it can never be paid. It's not like that. It will be paid within 6 months. If Abhishek gets bail before that, it will be paid far earlier, but it will not be paid beyond 6 months.
Okay. Did they agree with your demand?
Because I think right now it's a student agitation and there is no one voice. Different people have different expectation, and I am a messenger. And so therefore I'll take it back and think about it, and the family will think about it. The decision makers in the family are not here, but we'll try to do that and whatever best we can do. We want the agitation to get over. We want to stand beside the family who have lost their beloved son and daughter, and we want to be there. Having said that, there is also a lot of challenging environment right now. The business is, this institute is closed. We want to, today is the first, we have not even made salary payment to our employees. So these are a lot of challenges right now, and we have to also, a lot of students are coaching classes comes in time so that their year is not spoiled. So we are working on all these things. It's a very challenging environment because when there is a one person which is a key man, and if he is behind bars, it put a lot of stress on the entire system. But we are working on it.
So what will be your next step there, as the students are not receiving your offer right now?
कोई बात नहीं है. There is always a next time. Thank you.